Hello everybody, I am back with another cleaning video. You know, I noticed a lot of people like to do like sort of like a preview video before their video actually starts, like everything or like glimpses of everything you'll see within their video. And I haven't been doing that. I've just been like jumping straight into like, you know, let's clean. But do you guys like that, or would you rather have like a little preview video before we start the video? I don't know. It's nice to see, you know, it makes it feel like more of a, you know, quote unquote YouTube video, but it also is just like a little bit more work than I would rather do. And I don't know, it's like, why not just get started? I am showing off all the lovely garbage that I have not taken out of the house. That was like the bathrooms and the top floor, and I was able to fill up a whole bag. Like, it was really bad. After I washed my makeup brushes and took out the trash, I wanted to deep clean the washer. I hadn't done it since we moved in, and you know, it was just time. So we're gonna start with the lint tray. We're gonna take off all the lint, clean the inside a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash that in the sink downstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and use some Dawn Power Wash on this, scrub it, rinse it, 1, 2, 3, easy, easy. But back onto what we were just talking about, like the whole like little preview clip in the beginning. I already have like the, you know, welcome to my YouTube channel little clip, so I always feel like that's kind of good enough, you know, but let me know in the comments if I should switch it up a little bit. So there was like this sticker residue, and I'm using lemon essential oil, and literally I just let it sit for like 20 seconds and then I scrub it and it comes off so easily. Apparently Dawn Power Wash was my friend this day because I also used it in the washer just a little bit, because that stuff is freaking strong, and you're also not supposed to use like dish soap in your washer, but I just need some sort of soap to clean it. So I sprayed it, and then I'm using this brush that I got from Target. It was $3. It's ginormous, and it was so worth it. And I'm also gonna go ahead and get inside of the lint tray a little bit because there's still some like stubborn lint that wouldn't come out. And now we are using some bleach just to like, you know, deep clean the washer a little bit. I'm gonna let that run through and it should be good to go. There are a few moments in this video where the angle I was recording from just like completely didn't make sense. Like that one right there, my head was just covering everything. And I'm like, girl, why would you, you know? A little wipe down, and then it is gorgeous, all clean. This is your sign to go deep clean your washer and dryer. The bathrooms needed a little TLC, so I'm just using some Dawn Power Wash again, and I'm scrubbing the entire thing, like the sink and also the counters. I recorded this video within like so many days. Like, this is at nighttime when Michael and Zara are asleep. I think I was just bored and I couldn't sleep myself. So I was like, you know what? I've been needing to film some stuff. Let's go ahead and just do this right now. That's why in some of these like beginning clips, I'm looking a little raggedy. Like my hair was just not brushed. I had no makeup on. I'm literally in pajamas because it was at nighttime. We put in new towel racks, so that's like the old bar, and I kind of use it as like a hook for her body seat. We also like, we have a hook, like an actual hook, but I don't know why. I think I just like it when it's like behind the door hidden, so I just put it right there. Okay, next up though, we are doing shower curtains. I'm just taking them off, gonna throw them in the washer, and I also show the 3 items that I love to use on my whites because this is it: bleach, stain remover, and sanitizer. Cleaning tip, I used to not do this, but make sure you're putting all your soaps, detergents, powders in before you put any of your clothes in, so that way like, you know, they mix with the water. It washes your stuff better when it is all the way at the bottom. I have no idea what these stains are, but like the 3 things that I use, like they're gone completely. Like there's nothing left. Like it works so good. We are cleaning the bathroom, shower. Oh my gosh. I forgot my words there for a second. But anyway, we are cleaning the bathtub, the shower. So I'm using Comet, but I've always wanted to try Bon Ami. It's like the same thing as Comet, but like natural. If any of you have tried that before, let me know how you like it. Bathtub is clean, fresh towel for the hubs. This is embarrassing, but also very realistic because I know people's houses get like messy, but my side, like my vanity, like I don't even know what's going on. I do everything there, my makeup, my nails, so there's just a bunch of grossness. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up, organize it a little bit. This was the next day and it was like such a freaking good day. I was cleaning and it was like nearing the end of like, you know, what I was doing, and my sister I think she texted me or called me and she was like, I'm not going to school, like let's hang out. And I was like, oh my gosh, yes, because I missed her so much. So we hung out and it was like perfect that day. Like it was cold, there was like some clouds out. We went to Target and then we went out to lunch and it was just so much fun. Like I don't know, I'm really close with like my family, my sisters, so I love hanging out with them. Like they're the best. So I used to work at a daycare, and as one of the closing like parts of the shift, we would have to vacuum like the floors. There's like a top floor and a bottom floor. But when I worked there, the girl, it was like an older lady, and she was so specific about how we vacuum. Like they had to be straight lines. And so ever since then, I've just like had it ingrained into my brain to like vacuum and leave like really nice straight lines. And they always look nice. They make everything look so much cleaner. But actually, my last job, I was a preschool teacher, and then I found out I was pregnant. And since then, I have been a stay-at-home mom, a homemaker, content creator, you name it. I was a preschool teacher, so I'm like going from like my most recent to oldest for jobs. So I was a preschool teacher. I worked at a daycare. I worked at a yogurt shop. I worked, oh my gosh, at a pizza place. I worked at a library. And I think that's it. We are doing this staircase next, but also, did you see all the hair that I collected from freaking upstairs? That's crazy. But so I like to do baking soda and essential oil, but I didn't have any baking soda, so a good vacuum is just gonna do. If you're a believer of Christmas decor after Thanksgiving, you're gonna wanna skip this part. But I have all of my Christmas stuff up. I opened my Christmas tree on Halloween and then I decorated it the next day. So I'm thinking next video will be a little, because I do have like a few more items coming in. So I think it'll be a little bit like Christmas decor, but for sure like clean with me, you know? If there's anything that you guys want to see me clean or like any tips, any questions you have, go ahead and comment, let me know. You know, I'm always looking for like some improvement. A few days ago, I just went around the house and I was looking at like any holes that we had in the walls, any like chips. And I went ahead and put, I don't know if it's like, it's not plaster, but it's not putty. I don't know. Just, you know, stuff. I put stuff all over the wall. Also where we had like the old towel hooks, I had to cover those up too. So I'm just going through everywhere and sanding it, and then I'm gonna get the paint that we have and just paint over everything. I'm also gonna be painting a lot of like scuff marks, you know, just stuff like that. Back on the Christmas decoration stuff, you know, people who, like some people get so bothered at the fact that people want to decorate early, and that's always so funny to me because I see it as like, this is my favorite time of the year, so I want it to last as long as it can, you know. So if I can decorate early, like why not, you know? It doesn't hurt anybody, and it's like, I don't know, it's just so weird how bothered some people can get. Like I posted a video of like a holiday potpourri and it did really, really well. Like it's the best any of my stuff has done. Like it's like I don't know, it's like over 200,000. It was on Instagram though, it was just like a little reel, and like some of the comments were just so like, oh my god, like you guys are annoying. They were just like, Thanksgiving hasn't even passed yet, and just stuff like that. And it's like, first of all, like, who cares? I lost my train of thought because I heard the baby make a noise, so I thought she woke up. Also, it's nighttime and I'm editing this. But yeah, you get what I was saying. Next up though, we are deep cleaning the Dyson. This is like one of my least favorite chores just because, I don't know why. I think it's just because it's gross, like getting in there and getting all the freaking gunk and stuff. And I just hate letting it dry because you wash this part and this is the filter and you wash it and it takes like 2 days to dry. It takes forever. In the summer it dries faster, but right now it's really cold out, so it takes so long to dry. But so that body, like the head, I guess, let's call it the head, you just kind of rinse it off. You don't really want to get it too wet because I'm not too sure if you're supposed to get it wet. But the neck right here, like that's fine. You can just clean it out. There's no wires, no batteries, no nothing. I was gonna do like an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, but it just went by too fast, so I can probably do it next time. But it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'm sure that there are way better videos on how to deep clean your Dyson. We are nearing the end of the video. This was a fun one. It was like, I don't know, I was chit-chatting a lot, so it always goes by fast when I have like a lot of things on my mind, or like I just want to talk about, you know, anything and everything. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, share, and I will see you guys later. Oh my gosh, also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you. Bye guys. Love you.